Primiceri Group is a leading company in the design and production of electrical panels, providing advanced and innovative solutions in the design of power distribution systems. In particular, the company covers 15,000 square meters of outdoor space and 13,000 square meters indoors, with part of the area used for production facilities and the rest for storing electrical materials. Without a doubt, the combination of rising temperatures and the effects of climate change has led to heat peaks exceeding 38 degrees. These extreme conditions made the working environment significantly more challenging for everyone involved. The company's goal was to restore a suitable indoor microclimate and ensure proper air circulation. The choice fell on the use of evaporative coolers, which offer a series of advantages in terms of energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. We installed 7 machines with vertical ducting, divided into 3 areas, 1 in the warehouse and 2 in the production areas, allowing for temperature and humidity control in different environments. The installation improved productivity, also reducing recovery breaks in the ventilated areas. Starting from the design phase, the temperature and air system technicians demonstrated their expertise by proposing solutions well suited to our facility and the surface area that needed cooling. After conducting the inspection and part of the installation, the completion of the work took place with only 1 day of work stoppage. Therefore, we obviously feel confident in fully recommending Seeley International Evaporative Cooling Systems. The goal we had set for ourselves was achieved with great satisfaction from all the employees. In fact, we managed to significantly improve the working conditions, ensuring a temperature inside the facility of about 26 to 28 degrees.